most of you have bought this K35 Pro wireless microphone, and most of you have failed to connect it with your laptop. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Do not forget to share this information to your friends, your colleagues, and everyone out there who would want to know how to use this K35 Pro wireless microphone. In this case, this is how the microphone comes. It comes in a package of, this is one microphone. This is one microphone. Of course, there's a sponge here. It's one microphone. This is the second microphone, okay? And then this is the receiver. In this is the receiver, okay? And then in this box, there comes also the charging cable, which comes in from here, okay? In this case, we want to learn on how best to connect these microphones to be used on your laptop. I know most of you are using them for your Facebook, you're using them for your Twitter, you're using them for your Instagram, you're using them for your live streams. And again, you have bought them, but you have failed on how to connect these microphones onto your computer. So I'm going to be showing you. So what you do, you power on this receiver. The receiver must be powered on, and then you also power on one of the microphones, okay? You have to make sure this microphone is green, and then this communicates to blue, which means these two are communicating very well. The other gadget we have is what we call a sound card. You may use different sound cards. Don't look at the color. Don't mind about it. Yes, you can look at this as well, but you can buy any sound card. That sound card will definitely be able to help us out. Mine is a USB sound card. This sound card helps you transfer your audio to your laptop, and then from the laptop, you're able to do the kind of work you're doing. This is headphone and this is sound. So you come in here and make sure it fits very, very well. After getting these two, you come and fit it in your laptop. Once you put it in your laptop, make sure it is lighting red, and make sure here it is lighting blue. And once it lights blue, it lights red, which means your sound is connecting. So in this case, we're going to show you how to go to your laptop and set it again into the settings for you to be able to get the information right. And how to connect, after connecting our two gadgets, the sound card plus the microphone, you come here and you go into your settings of your laptop. When you get to the settings, and then after putting the settings, you go to sound, okay? When you go to sound, of course, now, because I've already fitted it here, it is already picked. It will show you that speakers, but now you need to go to input. Input, microphone is input. It has already picked it here, okay? Captured, okay? Now I want to test the microphone to make sure that I power on the microphone, and this is how, if you look at this, my microphone is showing on our laptop, and the microphone is being tested, and it shows that it transmits. So as you use this, it closes all the sound that is around wherever you are, and you're able to get very clean and clear sound for your gadget. So guys, make sure this microphone is tested. As you can see that when I tap onto it or I speak into it, it's already giving you the full sound with no any other challenge. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you share this video if it makes value to you.